Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe the Grill and happy 4th of July. This week we're doing a collab with Rich over there at Just Cook the Damn Food. And he invited us along for a 4th of July collaboration. And what are you cooking on the 4th? This 4th, we're doing ribs and we're kicking it up a little bit. We're making bacon ribs. Check this out. So in this, I've got a 3/4 cup of Morton's coarse kosher salt. I've got 1.5 teaspoons of curing salt. The recipe calls for 8 whole cloves, 3 bay leaves, and 1 cinnamon stick. I didn't do that. I actually took some maple bacon seasoning from Cuisinart and put that in here instead. We're going to see how that turns out. The other thing that we're going to need is 3/4 cup. It says of honey or hot honey. And I'm really going for that maple bacon kind of rib. So we're going to use maple syrup, 3/4 cup of maple syrup instead of the honey. So it's then 3 cups of hot water and 3 cups of cold water. You do not want to parboil your ribs. So we've got the water boiling. That's just about ready. 3 cups of water. As soon as that comes to a boil, we're going to put it in the bowl and mix this around until this all dissolves. And then we're going to add in 3 more cups of cold water. Let that get to room temperature. And then we're going to, while we're waiting for that to cool, we're going to get our ribs ready.
Oh, well. Water.
Water.
You can make this too at home.
Seasonings.
Oh.
Uh-huh. And we're going to get that all...
Don't worry, the floaty bits are bacon.
Yeah, in our bacon brine.
Ooh, it smells like maple bacon.
Good. As soon as this is dissolved, we're going to add in our syrup. Or honey if you're doing honey. 3/4 cup. There we go. So we got the 3/4 cup maple syrup in there. We're whisking that in, letting that get all dissolved. That's going to cool for a little bit. We'll add the cold water in after. We're going to get our pork ribs ready. Well, we're going to remove the membrane. It's always the tricky bit. Ooh, I think today might be my lucky day.
Yeah? Dude. No way.
Look at that!
Woo, it worked! The paper towel trick.
Alright, so we've got our ribs ready to go here to go in the brine. What we're going to do, we're going to make party ribs out of these anyways. So what I'm going to do so that they fit in the bowl is I'm going to cut this into thirds right now. There we go. We're also going to take half a pack of these Kirkland brand hot dogs. These things are awesome on the smoker. I'm going to try them in a brine, see what happens. I don't know. Might be nothing. So we're going to take this. We're just going to score it. Not super deep. Like that. Yeah. Don't cut your fingers. Awesome. So the brine is still a little bit warm. We're not going to put it in there yet, but everything's ready to go. So we're going to take this and throw it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then that should be ready to go. So our brine is cooled off to just below room temperature. We're going to throw our ribs and our hot dogs in here. These. That's going in the fridge. So now that we got the cover on this, we're going to throw this in the fridge for anywhere between 24 and 72 hours. We should be able to pull them out then and throw them on a smoker. We're making ours in the party ribs, so you can do whatever you'd like, but that's what we're going to do. So these things have been sitting in the brine for almost 2 full days, and we are ready to throw them on the smoker. It's going to take about 5 hours. We're going to get some gloves on first. We're pulling the hot dogs out just to get them out of the way. We're pulling the ribs out of the brine, and we are making party-style ribs today. So the reason that we left them in chunks this big is so that they were easier to dry off, and you're not drying off all these individual ribs. We're just going to pat these dry, and we're going to cut these individual.
I like the party ribs way better.
Yeah, why is that?
Because I think they get more seasoning and flavor all the way around.
I agree. I think that these are going to be even better yet with the brine and the bacon flavor. Hopefully they taste a little like bacon.
I hope so.
Either way, these are going to be freaking delicious.
Mm-hmm. They are super excited for ribs.
All right, we're going to take the hot dogs back out of that pan and put them over here just until we're ready to cook them. I always do too. I always do the Famous Dave's rib rub. Start with that. And then whatever else you want to do. I think that this Blues Hog sweet and savory is going to go great on these ribs. So we're going to do... I did not put a binder on here. You can, but when they soaked for that long, I don't think you really need to. Get everything coated. That's the deal with these party ribs. That's why they're so much better, we think, because you get the seasoning everywhere. All four sides, not just two. And now for the sweet and savory. Okay, one more little dash of this deliciousness. Now that I got them all nice and arranged. You don't have to do that. I think it's going to get more smoke this way, though. This is going on the Z Grill today. We got that cranked up to 225. We're going to do that for 2 to 2.5 hours, depending on how your smoker goes. But this is about a 5-hour cook. You can use a meat thermometer if you'd like to. If you're doing that, about 150 is the temperature that you want to get it up to. You know, the 205 is where we're going to end at the end of this. So, ready to toss it on. We'll see you guys in a bit. We're going to pull these things off and do our magic.
Oh, I like magic.
Oh, yeah, they are looking good. Ooh. So we were trying to stick with the maple bacon kind of... Oh, those smell so good. So we're going to do brown sugar. Just a little bit. And a little bit more.
Just a little? Brown sugar's the best.
It is the best. We don't want to overpower all of our stuff here. So... usually I use honey at this point in this game, and we're not going to do that today. Again, maple syrup, just a little bit drizzle. And last, we're going to top it with a few tablespoons of butter.
Cover it up, huh?
Cover it up. All right, we got to cover it up. Back on the smoker. It's 2.5 more hours. Total cook of 5 hours. These things are going to be perfect. We'll see you guys in 2.5. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, those look really good.
Heck yeah, they do. While our rib is cooling, I pulled one of our brined hot dogs off, and we're going to give that a taste test. What do we call it? Just plain. We're just going to try it on. Our brine didn't do anything.
Oh.
Now we're going to try the ribs and see if they baconized at all. Wow. I don't know that I'd say that that's bacon, but that's more like a ham.
Oh, you did put a glaze on it.
Yeah. That is a different rib. That is fantastic. You got to try this.
Oh, I will.
It's not bacon, but that turned out really, really good. Thanks for trying bacon baby back ribs with us here at Coupe de Grill. For the 4th of July collaboration we're doing with Rich over there at Cook the Damn Food, do not forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this with us, go check them out over here. We're going to go have some of these delicious ribs. You can go watch some more YouTube.